Hello everyone, here our scenario. Privacy and security cyber attack. You and your team have developed a new EHR system that a large teaching hospital is interested in purchasing. You are meeting with the hospital administration panel to present your product. They have not yet ventured into an online documentation system and have serious concern with the privacy and security features. They are concerned with maintaining privacy and security features. They are concerned with maintaining privacy standards and are concerned about potential cyber attacks. How would you validate their concerns and guarantee privacy and security standards are met? What are some potential security downfalls to an EHR system, and what steps can you take to protect patient information within your system? What would you name your product? Learning objectives. 1. Understand the objectives of cyber attacks. 2. Recognize the impact of cyber attacks. 3. Comprehend the role of antivirus software. 4. Evaluate the effectiveness of antivirus software. 5. Promote cybersecurity best practices.
Hi, I'm Princess Ann Hermano, 160 40 72 35. What is cybersecurity attack? Privacy and security cyber attacks refer to unauthorized breaches into computer systems or networks with the intent of stealing sensitive information or causing harm.
What are the downfall of electronic health record system? My name is Christina Hugian, 1707-05230. Some potential security downfall to an EHR system are 1. Weak access controls. This means that the login process to access the EHR system may not be very secure. 2. System design flaws. This refers to weakness in a way EHR system or software are built and configured. And last, lack of encryption. If an EHR system does not encrypt the data stored in its database, a hacker can easily view and steal the patient's record. To protect patients' information, first, you must have strong access control. Second, end-to-end data encryption. Third, continuous security updates and comprehensive data backup.
My name is Maika Ibardolaza, 185090230. To validate their concerns and guarantee privacy and security standards are met, we would first thoroughly discuss their specific needs and concerns regarding privacy and security to fully understand the context. Second, transparently explain the technical measures being implemented, such as encryption access controls and data retention policies, to demonstrate how their data is being protected to the highest standards.
Mecate, student number 185091238. What is antivirus software? Antivirus software acts as a security guard for computer, protecting it from threats such as viruses, trojans, ransomware, and malware. That's why we want to introduce to you our product, which is Secure Health Antivirus. Here are some key features of our product: real-time scanning, malware detection and removal, email and web protection, automatic updates, and logging and reporting. FYI, by implementing a robust antivirus solution with these features, healthcare organizations can significantly enhance the protection of sensitive patient information stored in the electronic health record systems. This helps mitigate the risk of data breaches, unauthorized access, and other security incidents that could compromise patients' privacy and data integrity.